This year, all of our classes at Shalom Peaks Middle School are going to be using this procedure in the classroom called the SLANT procedure. This is a procedure designed to help students really be able to focus on the academics in their classroom and be very successful with all of their subjects. So let's take a closer look at exactly what the SLANT procedure is. Ready? Here we go. SLANT, or how to be successful in class. The S stands for sit up straight. And if you notice, the students in the picture, all of them are sitting up straight and looking forward, which we'll talk about that one in a moment. But notice the posture. They're not leaning back in the chair. They're not sliding forward. They're sitting up straight like they're ready to receive some important information. L is for listen, and that's listen to the teacher. So when you hear the teacher talking, make sure that you are listening to what the teacher is saying and ready to move to the next step, which is ask questions, just like the students in the picture. If you're not sure of what the teacher said or you need clarification, ask questions, but be sure to raise your hand. Don't just shout out. That's not going to be a good idea. After, nod your head. When the teacher is talking, if you're understanding what the teacher is saying, nod your head. Now, that's not the little puppy dog in the back window just nodding your head all the time. But if you're like, oh, I get it, give that little nod so your teacher has that visual clue to know that you are following along. And is also take notes. So you want to make sure you're writing down the important information, particularly if your teacher says something like, this is important. You probably want to write down what comes next. Or if they say, you will need this for your homework, you definitely want to write that down. And if they say these important words, this will be on your test, you definitely want to make sure you have that down. So again, the N is for nod if you're understanding what the teacher is saying, and also take notes. Now we're down to the last one. T, track the speaker. Follow the speaker as he or she moves around the room. Now, sometimes your teacher may not be the speaker. If you have a guest speaker that comes in, or if there is another person who's going to be giving the information, like a student presenter who is a guest presenter, you also want to track them as they move around the room and make sure that you're following along with what they're doing. Okay, so easy steps. S, sit up straight. L, listen to the teacher. A, ask questions. N, nod or take notes. T, track the speaker. And all of that is going to help you to be successful in your classroom. Good luck for a very successful year. And remember, everybody, slant.